today's IP Capital National Zoom meeting. IP Capital is actually strictly a fintech company and also a company that is exploring one of the biggest markets all over the world, called forex markets. And just like we all know that what forex market is the most liquid financial market all over the world, with 6.3 trillion being pumped into the market on daily basis. So this company called Intelligence Prime Capital is not actually a broker, but it's a fintech company. Okay, and also I want to say this, everybody, that this company called Intelligence Prime Capital has their physical office in 1 Yonge Street, Toronto, Canada. So it's a Canadian-based company. So once you are in this system, what happens is that the company goes ahead and be in there, and you purchase the bot of the company, and the bot makes you money on daily basis, Monday to Friday, without you doing anything in the system. And on Saturday, you have a payout, which is tomorrow. Everybody in IP Capital are going to be paid tomorrow. Tomorrow, Saturday, is our payday. So we are always just being so excited when it's actually on Saturday, because what great numbers of people in the system of IP Capital always just get paid on Saturday. All right, everybody, without taking much of your time, just like I said the other time, that this company is exploring one of the biggest markets all over the world, called forex markets. Just like the exchange in one currency and the other, okay, that is how they make money in the forex market. And also, when it comes to trading, we call actually group trading into two. We have the personal trading, the copy trading, and what is called the AI system trading. The personal trading, whereby you have to study the candlestick and so like that, is a personal trading, that you have just to think, when is it going to go or when is it going to come down? Should I buy now or should I not buy now? Okay, that's personal trading. You can also go for copy trading, whereby you copy a particular trade and you actually apply that with your own particular trading, and that could also yield your money. But all these are being changed nowadays. What happens is that what people are now leveraging on what is called AI trading, which is called bot trading. So, and that is what this company is providing for her. Now, once you are in this system, the company provides you with the bot, and the bot trade for you every day while you are taking your rest. Warren Buffett said something, and is one of his quotes, and that has changed great numbers of people's lives, especially Prof, talking to you. The man said, if you don't find a way to make money while you're sleeping, he said you will work till you die. So we have to leverage on a particular system that will be generating us passive income without us doing anything in the system. So it's either we are working for money or money is working for hers. All right, everybody, take a look at these. Another thing I want to show you, this company, many good numbers of people always ask the question that, Prof, could you tell me how many of this company now, where is actually in this country? Can we actually operate in the United States? I said yes, because the company today is in over 10 countries of the world. You talk about the United States of America, the United Kingdom, Canada, Singapore, Hong Taiwan, China, Nigeria, Cameroon, and Ghana. And somebody also put a call to me and said, Prof, South Africa is now here. Can I be in South Africa still come into the system? Despite I'm going to have my own KYC done. I say, yes, many people are in South Africa. They are leveraging on the system of IP Capital, and they are making massive money for themselves. All right, everybody, look at this. That is a certificate of incorporation of the company. Before Canada could actually say, fine, we are giving you a certificate of incorporation. Definitely, you should know a particular scrutinization will be made to ensure that at the end of the day, it doesn't go like something like a scam business. Now, Financial Transaction and Report Analysis Center of Canada, FINTRAC, also gives them a license to also operate. And before FINTRAC could go ahead and said, we want to see if truly the company is going to run for a long time, the agent of this company went ahead to scrutinize this company to ensure that what they are definitely here and they want to run for great numbers of time, not that you just want to take great numbers of people's money, and run away. And they also check the bookkeeping of this company as well, called Intelligence Prime Capital, and they also check everybody's KYC, when it's come to, of the business of Intelligence Prime Capital, especially when it's come to fintech company. FINTRAC always see into that. And we also want to say this to everybody, if you all, understand what it means by MSB, the money services business. This is actually amazing license that once you have been issued, it shows you have the authority to actually go ahead, accept, deposit, or you could make a transfer from one person to another in a particular company. That means you could go ahead and actually leverage on the remittance of that company. That means you can pay people and people can also pay you. Now, these licenses in Canada is not just being issued by Canadian people just like that. They want to ensure that your company is actually is a sustainable platform with high longevity before they could give this, because at the end of the day, they wouldn't want great numbers of people to write to them and say, sorry, we have been scammed because of this and so on like that. So, and the company also went ahead. If you look at your screen, you definitely see that this is the license of the MSB of this company called Intelligence Prime Capital, issued by FINTRAC. And they went further also to get the MSB also from the United States of America. We all know how strict things are when it's come to United States of America as one of the third countries all over the world. So they also get MSB, from the United States of America. Everybody, if you take a look at your screen, this is the man behind the scene, and this man is a visionary of Intelligence Prime Capital. His name is Mr. Walter Stephen, and this is a CEO of Intelligence Prime Capital. Now, this man has also over 25 years of experience in the international financing, system development, public-private partnership, and also policy dialogue. And also want to say this to you that this man has also served as a vice president of European Central Bank. And just like we want to say to people that when you want to go ahead into a particular platform, don't go to a ghost CEOs. Make sure that you are able to speak with the CEOs of the company one-on-one, like a video call and so on like that, and not like the one we watch on YouTube. Another we want to say, everybody, is this man called Dr. Val. Dr. Val is a CMO of Intelligence Prime Capital, and this man was on call with great numbers of leaders all over Africa. Some times ago, we had him then, and he spoke with everybody. And I want to say this to everybody on call tonight, that everybody should also leverage on the Intelligence Prime Capital because of just one thing. These people came over, and at the moment they were talking to us in the Zoom, the man said, we've heard that great numbers of people's hands have been burnt in many platforms, but do not bring that kind of idea into Intelligence Prime Capital, because if you do, it might actually affect you running this system very well, whereby you could maximize yourself a particular massive enemy. So the man actually said, anytime they want to speak with us, we are good to go. He even promised that he's going to be coming over to Africa, because of the COVID-19 now, it's not really so possible. So all the top leaders in Africa, especially in Nigeria, we on the Zoom call with this man alongside with Mr. Nate in the house. We saw this man and he spoke with every one of us. And Mr. Nate has also worked with this man for over 5 years. And we have Mr. Nate in the house as well, the marketing consultant of this company, Intelligence Prime Capital. Everybody take a look at your screen. You will definitely see this is an international platform, okay, that people use, the MT4 MetaTrader 4. And this software is being used mostly by broker. And mind you, this is what you're going to also make yourself that's going to be linked with your account in Intelligent Prime Capital. Once it's linked, definitely what happens is that the bot trade for you and makes you profit on daily basis, Monday to Friday, without you doing anything. Why choose IP Capital, everybody? Because in IP Capital, we're going to be coming up with various varieties of trading products like commodities, cryptocurrencies, and indices. Now, as of today, we actually have the Forex because the money that we are making from this system is actually from the Forex market, the most liquid financial market all over the world. Another thing we want to say to everybody is that the market analysis is actually 24/7, okay? So it's not actually just being hidden. And also the MetaTrader 4 is also an international platform. So this is not like something that is built up by somebody. So this is decentralized. It's not really centralized. And also, if you check this, just like this season, we told people said, we discovered that for last month, between last month and today, we've made over what is called 65 trades. 65 trades. The bot has been able to make 65 trades, and only just about 6 of them were actually what lost, okay? While we have more than 60 wins, a bot that could do kind of things like that is a fantastic bot, and most of you about it. Also, when you look at the customer service of this company, they respond to you. I'm really so shocked at which, when you go for your KYC nowadays, before it was taken like what sometimes, but now we discovered that your KYC is being approved within the space of just like maybe 3 hours, 2 hours, you're good to go. They've actually done that for you already. And also everybody, if you look at these, definitely they accept what is called the digital currency as a method of payments. We talk about the USDT or the Bitcoin, but majority of the people in the house always use what is called the USDT because of its stability. So this is how this has been done. So everybody take a look at this. The system gives us opportunity to purchase any of these 3 bots. Any bot you've purchased here, the bot trades for you every day and makes you money on daily basis. So we have smart bots, the brilliant bot, and the genius bot. So the smart bot goes for $19.90. The brilliant bot goes for $39.90. And the genius bot goes for $99.90. But let's take a look at the function or the variance among all these bots. If you look at your screen of a bot, you definitely see this is a function of each of these bots. The smart bot that goes for $19.90 has a capacity of earning you up to 15% of your capital per month. The minimum deposit with smart bot is $100, while the maximum deposit is $300. The brilliant bot, which is the second bot, goes for $39.90 and has a capacity of earning you up to 30% of your capital per month. The minimum deposit there is $100, while the maximum deposit there is $1,000. And the last bot, which is the genius bot, goes for $99.90 This one has a capacity of earning you up to 45% of your capital every month. The minimum deposit with Genius Bot is $100, while there is no maximum. And that is the kind of bot I think everybody should go for, to the best of my knowledge, because you might actually say, fine, I want to increase my capital later. Now if you want to increase your capital, what happens is that if you have gone for Genius Bot and you're in $1,000, you can easily upgrade, because Brilliant Bot is limited. Brilliant Bot cannot take more than $1,000. And also Smart Bots cannot take more than $300. So I suggest everybody goes for Genius Bot. So that is how this system has been designed. And another thing I want to say about the bot, everybody, is that any bot you've purchased in this business, you have purchased it forever. It is one-off. What does that simply mean? You don't pay for this again. You have bought it forever and ever. And I want to say this, everybody, that once you have purchased this, forget about anything like monthly subscription, nothing like monthly subscription, nothing like yearly subscription in this system. Any bot you purchased, you have purchased it forever. It is one-off payment. All right, everybody, if you take a look at 4 ways to earn in this system, and that is what everybody wants Prof to explain. Once you are in this system, what happens is that the system said, maybe you introduce somebody into the business, or you don't bring anybody into the business, you will be making money every day, Monday to Friday, without you doing anything. So this is not a system whereby if I don't bring somebody, I will not earn. No, once you are here, you've purchased your bot, and after you purchase the bot, alongside with your capital, the bot trades on your capital and makes you profit on daily basis, Monday to Friday, without you doing anything in the system. So the first way to earn in this system is to be receiving trading profits, which the bot makes for you every day. All right, the second way to earn is that if you share the opportunity with anybody, that means somebody signs in through your link, okay, the system says you will enjoy 10% of the purchase price of the bot. That means the person bought, the price of that bot, you will get 10% of that. For example, if somebody signs in through my link, the person purchased Genius Bot for $99.90, I will get 10% of $99.90, which is $9.9. Approximately talk about $10. Okay, now I get that. That is the first way to earn from the system. And number two is that the capital the person puts in there. Number three, talk about the third way to earn from the system. As the person comes into the business and the person also has a capital, you will also be enjoying what is called sponsorship bonus. That means it is a 10% of the person's capital that is also paid to you as a third way to earn in this business. So everybody, why I love this business is because they would have gone ahead to say, just let's pay you just 10% of the capital alone without paying you 10% of the bots as well. But the system said, no way, we want to alleviate abject poverty in the lives of great numbers of people. So we give you 10% of the person's bot, we also give you 10% of the person's capital. What a fantastic platform. The fourth way to earn in the system, everybody, is what is called management bonus. Now, I'd only like to explain this because I know this is a place we are making millions every week. Please read my lips, everybody on call tonight. This is a place we are making millions every week. And everybody likes to know more about this management bonus. So let's go to this slide. Take a look at this slide, everybody. Management bonus. How do you enjoy management bonus every single week. I wonder how much people are going to make tomorrow when you're paying the management bonus. Take a look at this, everybody. The system said you can be ranked in this business, and to be ranked in IP capital is the most easiest thing I've ever seen since I was born to this world. Over a decade, we also spent in what MLM, and I've never seen anything like this. People crush these ranks, 4 ranks in just a week. 4 ranks in just a week. People in the house that crushed the 4 ranks in just a week. So let's take a look at this. How does it work? There is something they call personal sale, and there's another thing they call group sale. What is personal sale? Personal sale is the total capital of everybody that signs up with your link. That means people that come register directly with your link, the total capital they have is what is called personal sale. What is group sale? A group sale is actually the total capital of everybody from your second generation downwardly. I will say that again. A group sale is the total capital of everybody from your second generation downwardly. That means the people that you introduce into the business, the people those people also bring into the business, the total capital of those people and those people that will be coming after those people downwardly is what is called group sale. So your personal sale is not your personal capital. That is a mistake many people always make. So your personal sale is the total capital of everybody that signs up with your link. All right. So how do you now rank in IP capital? Once you come into the system, what happens is that without you actually introducing anybody into the system, what happens is that you are a leader. And once you now introduce somebody into the system and the total personal sale is now $500, and you also have a group sales of $1,000, you become a supervisor. For example, it might just be only 2 people that could make you a supervisor. If somebody signs in under you with $500, okay, that is a group sale, okay? Okay, if anybody signs you under your with your link, okay, that is that is a personal sale. If somebody signs in with your link with $500, you have fulfilled one of the criteria of becoming a supervisor. If that person also introduces another person into the system and the person comes in with $1,000, that means you've got the group sale, you will become a supervisor immediately. And that means once you become a supervisor, guess what, everybody? First level and the second level are for you. You will be earning 30% of anybody, 30% of the profit of anybody in your first generation, and 20% of profit of everybody in your second generation, every day, every day. Okay, so if somebody comes in under me with $10,000, the person registered under me with $10,000, that means what happens is that 45% of that is $4,500. Okay, that means every month I'll be getting 30% of $4,500 of the person as a management bonus. Just becoming a supervisor alone. So if the person introduces another person into the business, what happens is that the person is in my second level. Any profit the person makes, I make 20% every day. That is why guys are withdrawing more than $5,000 a week in this system. Okay, everybody. Now, what will it take you to become a senior manager? For you to become a senior manager, you need a personal sales of $1,000 and a group sales of $3,000. Once you have this, you will become a senior manager. and you'll be earning additional 10% in your third level. That means 10% of profit of everybody in your third level. When you now become, what would it take you to become a department manager? That means you have a personal sale of $3,000 and a group sale of $10,000. That means you will be earning additional 5% of profit of everybody in your fourth level to your sixth level. Now, what will it take you now to become a regional manager? That means you need a personal sale of $5,000 and a group sale of $30,000. Once you have that, you become a regional manager and you'll be earning additional 3% of profits, 3% of the profit of everybody in your seventh to ninth level. Now, what will it take you to become a managing director? That means you need a personal sale of $10,000 and a group sales of $100,000. Once you have that, you'll be earning additional 2% of everybody's profit in your 10th to 14th generation or 14th level. Now, once now become a shareholder director, that means you have a personal sale of $30,000 and a group sales of $300,000. That means 1% of everybody's profit in your 15th level to your 20th level. So that is why guys are making millions from here, because guess what? 30% of the profit of people that come under you every day, 20% of people that fall under those people every day, 10% of those people that fall, that is how it goes, everybody. That is why we come, we share this opportunity, because we have test run them and we've discovered that this is how to make money from this system. Now, if you don't discover in life, you might not recover. This is a discovery from everybody out there. Leverage on this system and change your life entirely. Look at the future of this management bonus, everybody, once you are here, because that is the place we are going to, once you become a shareholder director, which some people eat it. FS Charles and Madam Chinwe eat this within the space of just 1 month. Okay, now what happens is that in your first level, let's assume you come into the business and you have 20 people. Each of them purchase a Genius bot, and also they add a minimum of $1,000 deposits. Look at what you're going to be earning, and you have 20 people. Every single month in your first generation, you'll be earning $2,700 per month. And in your third level, in your second level, okay, and those people duplicate themselves, what happens is that you only have just 60 people. You'll be earning what is called $5,400 per month. In the third level, you'll be earning $8,100 per month. And in the fourth to sixth level, you'll be earning $12,150 per month. This is how it's been programmed. This is how it's been designed. This model is a fantastic model I've ever seen. Now, if you calculate all this money together, see what you are going to be earning as time goes on in this system. You'll be having $159,570. Now, if you convert this to your local currency, you will know what we're talking about, everybody. Now, in Nigerian currency, for instance, it's actually over 90 million naira every single month. So that is why we are leveraging on this system. Leverage is the only language that money speaks. The rich people don't leverage on any other thing, but they leverage on opportunity online, and they make massive money for themselves. I told people, if you have a smartphone and you're not making smart money, your phone is smarter than you. You don't need to be in France before you meet your fiancé, and you don't need to be in UK before you be okay. Anywhere you are, you can create wealth for yourself. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless you. This is a presentation. I remember Williams, and at this stage, I want to say thank you for being on this call. So at this stage, if you, I can see I have the Oracle in the house, the KFS Charles, and then also the top leaders in the house too. Thank you, everybody. Anywhere you're joining from, we have over 140 people, participants on this call. This is massive. Thank you so much for being on this call. So at this stage, I want to say, I want to hand over to my bosses. I have Mr. Nate in the house, and also FS Charles. Mr. Nate is a marketing consultant of IP Capital. Over to you, Mr. Nate.
Okay, thank you, Prof. That was a wonderful presentation. Okay, thank you, Prof. Williams, once again. Okay, so hi, everyone. Thank you for joining into our seminar tonight. So yes, let me make a simple introduction of myself. My name is Nate, and I'm the marketing consultant of IP Capital. Okay, so yes, let me just make a conclusion of what Prof. William have just presented. The first one is, yes, IP Capital is a fintech innovation company from Canada, and we have been regulated by the FINTRAC and MSP. Okay, and then the second thing is our company now has launched our very first system, which is the AIA bot system. It will help you to analyze the market and also execute a trade in MT4. So today, our bot system has already achieving a winning rates of 97%, which means that in 100 trades, there'll be only 3 losing trades, okay? And what makes our bot so powerful is our bot will not be only trading by using the fundamentals analysis, but our bot system has its very own AI algorithm and a total of 16 different built-in trading analysis system. That is why our bot is so powerful today. And then the third thing I'm going to mention is, yes, the trading products are included the foreign exchange currency, the commodity CFD, oil CFD, gold CFD, and also cryptocurrency. Our bot will be trading all these 5 different trading products on MT4, okay? But you won't be able to choose which one your bot will be trading, because the bot will analyze the market itself. If the pair that the bot is going to trade is going to be more profitable, then of course the bot will trade the most profitable pair. Okay, and then the last thing I'm going to mention about is, yes, in IP Capital, we're not only offering a passive income, which is the profit generated by the bot system after you invested into the bot system. And also our company will be offering active income as well, which is the bonuses you'll be getting after you start to promote the business, the AIA bot bonus, the sponsorship bonus, and also the management bonus. So basically, this is IP Capital, and welcome to IP Capital Seminar. So without further ado, Prof, I think we can just proceed to the Q&A section,
right? Okay, yes, exactly. All right, we're going to Mr. Kayode Oni. Mr. Kayode, please, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please?
Hi, I'm Kayode by name. I'm calling from United States of America. I have a very simple question. Actually, I joined this team like last week, this week, this week. So I set up my account. I go for the highest robot, and I fund my account with $1,000 just to know how the system actually works. So for the past 2 days now, I've seen the system actually performing, and I can see that the percentage is fixed on daily basis for $1,000, because I get the same amount, the same profit on Thursday, and I get the same profit on Friday. So my question is regarding the affiliate. If I bring in 5 people, and if 5 people can put like $20,000 trading capital, what level am I going to be, and how much am I going to be earning on all of them?
Okay, all right. I will throw that question to Mr. Efficius. Efficius, please. Did you get the question, Efficius?
Yes. Sir, please be kind enough to repeat your question again. I think I got the first part with, you said the trading results were almost the same. But with the $5,000 you were saying I didn't understand that. If I can get it correctly, I would like to.
Okay, all right. Let me quickly say this. He said if it comes into the system, if I'm right, Mr. Coyote, you say if you come in with 20 people or 10 people, I'm all right, Mr. Coyote, and then each of them comes in.
I'm saying if I come with just 5 people,
with $20,000 each of them.
And the trading capital for all the 5 people I came in with is $20,000. So what will be my level and how much will I be entitled to earn on them daily or monthly?
Okay, okay, fine. That's a very good question. Now, with reference to the first part of your question, you need to understand that in the Forex market, the markets are different every day. The bot in itself does not really give the same results every day. It varies based on the volatility of the market or maybe the fundamentals that are driving that particular Forex trading pair for that day. Let's say, for example, you have Euro USD. It might be a fundamental news driving that price, and that might be causing the market to grow in volatility, or the market not even have volatility at all. So the results are not really the same. It varies based on the market conditions. So if you have seen something close to what you are seeing every day, is because probably a major fundamental has not really pushed the market or not affected the market. Now, with regards to your question, you've tested it, you've seen the results. You've been there for about 3 days. I have been here with Madam Chue for about 5 weeks right now, and it has been very consistent. Now, what I want to say to you is that the referral option is optional. Nobody is putting a gun on your head to bring in people. You can just have your capital working for you, trading for you, paying you dividends every day, and you harvest every Saturday like tomorrow. But if you want to go to the route of you bringing people in, it means that you stand the chance to earn more from the referral system. So the referral system is structured in such a manner that for everybody you bring directly to yourself, just like how Prof. Williams showed in his presentation, you are earning 10% of the value of the capital. So if you bring in Mr. A and he does $5,000, 10% of $5,000 is $500. That money is paid to you instantly. As well, also the value of the bot, you also earn 10% of that. So if you bring in 5 people with the illustration you just presented, you will earn that 10% across the number of persons you have brought. Now, if you look at the ranking system that will explain, for a senior manager level, you only need to have your direct referrals coming in with, say, $1,000. Prof will help me with that sharing. And once you have $1,000 in from your first level of referrals, and the total volume in your team as well cumulates to $3,000, then you are on a senior manager level. By implication, the ranking of a senior manager level means that you are now entitled to earn daily trading profits of all what your downlines are making, direct downlines are making 30% of that every day, Monday to Friday, based on their profits that the bot system has produced for them. So with your people coming in of $5,000 each, 5 of them will be about, that's about $25,000. That will almost be taking you probably towards the regional manager ranking level. And what that implication means is that you will now be earning 30% of the daily trading profit from each of your downlines, your first generation. If your generation has an extension up to 3rd or 4th, then you'll be earning close to your 6th generation with regards to that. So you earn 30% from your first generation from their daily trading profit, not their capital. 2nd generation, 20% from their daily trading profit up to your 6th generation. Now, if you come into the category where I am with Madam Chue, or you are there with Prof on the managing director level, then you start adding up to your 20th generation. That is how the system is structured. And these monies are paid to us every Saturday. Tomorrow is a big payday for everybody. And that's why we're excited about this business. I hope, Kaido, this answers the question.
I can understand a little bit, if not all. So what you're saying in essence is that, okay, if I bring in 5 people, I'm going to first get 20%, like 10% of their initial capital.
Yeah, it's a one-off.
Right. If I bring in that 5 people and they bring in 25,000, so my first bonus is going to be like 10% from that 25,000. That's the first one. Then going forward, I'm going to be earning like 30% from their profits on monthly basis, right? Or on daily basis.
On a daily basis.
All right, that sounds good.
Monday to Friday.
All right, that's explained. Thank you so much. That's what I want to know.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kayode. Thank you so much, officials, for that response. Okay, Dodowa, you are the next person, please. Kindly unmute yourself and ask your question. Dodowa.
Okay, yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, this is my first time here. A friend invited me in. And
Thank you. We're so happy to have you.
Yeah, thank you. Now, it sounds very good, but my father used to say it's good to ask foolish questions than not to ask questions at all, okay? So I don't know if I'm going to go or don't bother about it. Now, my concern is if you, after everything, like I don't want to mention any bots, like we have some bots that are trading. Now, you get the bot, and this one is actually cheap because it's $99. Like you get a bot now with $120, all right, and you can be trading with maybe $1,000, whatever. Now you'll be trading on Binance, all right, which your money is secure, so you can go there and withdraw your money out if you need it. So you are in control of your money. All right. So I really want you to expatiate on that, on how does the money, are we in control of the money, or the company is in control of the money? And the payout, how is the payout like? Can you throw more light on that?
Okay. Yes, Mr. Charles, please let me take this question, okay? So let me
take it, and I'll answer it as well. Just take it.
Okay, sure, no problem. Okay, so what you're saying is, I think you are talking about cryptocurrency, and the bot system trading for you on Binance is actually a Royal Q, right? Okay, so what I wanted to tell you is in IP Capital, it's totally different from Royal Q. Okay, so today, the same thing, you will have the full access on your trading capital. Okay, but it's just that we are a platform that are providing a bot system. So in order for our bot to trade for you on MT4, you must register an account on IP Capital first, then subscribe to a bot system, make a deposition into your bot system to let it trade for you on IP Capital. Then after you make a deposition in IP Capital, then your fund, your trading capital will straight away go to your MT4 account. Then our bot will be trading for you on MT4. Okay, then from Monday to Friday, our bot will be making a trades for you. Okay, and by Saturday, our bot system will be automatically withdraw your profit into your IP Capital USDT wallet. Then there is where you can withdraw your profit on every Saturday. On every Saturday, your profit will be withdrawn into your IP Capital account. And then the second thing is the trading capital. Okay, you see, our bot will be analyzing the market from Monday to Friday all the time. And then it will execute a trade immediately. Okay, so by Monday to Friday, which means that in the weekdays, we doesn't allow our user to withdraw their trading capital. It's because of our bot is analyzing the market and it may execute a trade anytime. So if our bot is executing a trade, then you went and withdraw your trading capital. Then how is the bot is going to trade for you, right? So that is why we are only allow our users to withdraw their trading capital on Saturday and Sunday. Okay. And then the third thing that I'm going to say is, yes, of course, you will have the full access on your trading capital. If today you say you don't want to trade anymore, then yes, you can get to withdraw your trading capital out. But it's just that we are IP Capital, we are having a security deposit system. Okay, what is security deposit system? Let me share screen for a while. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so this is actually our security deposit system. So at first, when you make a deposition into your bot system, we will be taking 20%, not taking 20%, but it's just that we will be locking up your 20% in the security deposit of your initial deposition amount, which means that today, if you deposited $1,000, then $200 will be in the security system, okay? The security deposit system, okay? So at first, you won't be having the full access on your full trading capital, only 80%, which is $800. Then you don't have to worry about this because you will get to reclaim this 20%. And then our bot will still help you to trade by using your full trading capital, which is $1,000. Okay, it is an example. So how are you going to reclaim it is we will be taking 20% of your profit every week. Then we will put it into your security deposit system. Then you will get to reclaim 20% of your profit from your reclaim 20% of your profit amount from your security deposit system. Okay, so if today you have a trading capital of $1,000, then $200 is in your security deposit system. Then after a month, your profit will be $450, 20%, which will be $90. After a month, you will get to reclaim $90 of $200, okay? And then the balance will become $110. After that, the second month, you get to reclaim another $90, which means that there will be only $20 in your security deposit system. After that, in the first week of the third month, you will get to reclaim all your security deposit system. And yes, you are good to go and you are good to withdraw all your trading capital. And then the third thing I'm going to mention is today, you will have the full access, but it's just that your trading capital will be on MT4. And if you wanted to make a withdrawal of your trading capital, you have to do it on IP Capital. Okay. So yes, Mr. Charles, I've done my explanation. I'll pass it to you right now. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Next, thanks for that very sound explanation. I just want to add to it that you need to understand that the bot systems that are used, a lot of people get this confused. They look at the crypto trading bot and they look at the Forex trading bot. And they say, oh, okay, because the crypto trading bot has to be kept in Binance to trade. The model for crypto trading and the model for Forex trading are different. And that's what I want to say. The bot system have different configuration. Binance can be probably an exchange where your API keys can be connected to your trading account for the bots to trade. But in the Forex world, which is the biggest trading market in the world, it doesn't work that way. The MT4 account is the account that holds the trading capital. And what IPC has done is that for the very first time, we have a company that has developed a bot system that helps you generate consistent passive profit from the Forex market every day. Now, how do they do this? The bot system is designed to take very few pips. Within 3 to 5 pips, the bot takes, and that ensures, and that basically ensures that you get consistent earning from the Forex market. So when you talk about how preserve your capital is, in this system, you have access to your capital. I have pulled out my capital a couple of times just to tell the system. Tomorrow it's Saturday. If you have a capital, do me the favor, pull out your capital tomorrow. you will see that it will be approved for you, then return it back again. That is how flexible the system is. However, the security deposit he explained is synonymous to the description of when you rent a house and they're asking you to pay what is called a caution fee in a house. Now, if you are exiting from the house, that caution fee is refunded back to you. That is where the system works. So the 20% security fee is just to ensure that if people decide to pull off their capital, the company does not go bankrupt just because a huge sum of capital has been pulled off. That 20% still serves as a kind of capital with the company to try and build and run the business pending when the full capital is returned. I hope this douses your the questions you have asked, and this provides better answers to you, sir.
All right.
Yes, yes. I am a little bit clear, but not too clear. You see, what I am a networker. I am a networker. All right, that is what I do for living. Okay, and we are being careful of where we take people to. All right, it's not about you enjoying the system. It's about everybody that you bring to the system enjoying the system. All right. I don't believe that when I come to a system, I will make all the money, then the people that are behind me will be crying. I don't like that. All right.
Okay.
And most of you here know what has happened again and again and again, especially in Nigeria, because every of these things, both the things that are not accepted in other countries is accepted in Nigeria here. So this is just the hub of scammers. All right. So we all know that. That is why we are being careful to know where to take our people to.
Okay.
All right.
I like based on what you just said.
Just hold on. Like what the other guy have just said, he made it clear. So now you can withdraw your money, you can pull out your money only on Saturday. Now,
On
God
Sunday.
forbid, on Sunday. So God forbid that maybe the system has a problem, and so you're not actually in control of your money, because the company can decide to take your money from Monday to Friday. They can take your money, and on Saturday you come that you want to take your money and you will not see your money again. Okay, I'm not saying that is what will happen, but this is the scenario of what has happened again and again and again and again.
Okay,
so we don't want to
let me just explain this. Okay, so yes, what you are saying is the company will have the control of doing all this. Okay, so today your trading capital will be placed on MT4. Okay, so can I ask you, if you go to any broker company, is your trading capital on MT4? Is the broker company have the access to do anything to your trading capital? Can you answer me?
What?
Mr. Dodowa is asking you a question. He's asking you a question.
Yes.
He just asked you a question.
So what you're saying is your trading capital is in IP capital, is your trading capital will be not safe in IP capital, right?
Yeah, I think
so what is basically saying, Mr. Nate, is that he said the capital is not with them, it's actually with the company, IP capital. So that is what he's talking about.
Yes,
so it doesn't have an access. Yes, it doesn't have an access to the capital until the end of the weekend, which is Saturday, whereby, so that's what he's talking about. But let me quickly say this, Mr. Dodowa. You know, I don't want to take time because I have great numbers of people on call. You can actually get in touch with us on WhatsApp. We're going to respond to you. But let me say this. If you go ahead to go and make a review about FINTRAC and MSB, you will know what I'm talking about. I don't always like to tell people more about things, but I always allow them to make a research about that. As an online business consultant, every nitty-gritty about this company has been made. And before we could actually come here, you know, we have been made. If everybody knows us, we talk about FS Charles, Prof, and also all the top leaders in the house, you definitely know. So great numbers of people in this house, they're professional traders, they're professional networkers, they're professional online business consultants, and yet they are in the house. After they've actually gone ahead to make their professional review, they've come back, they say the company is actually what? It's one of the outstanding one. They are not here because they want to run away with people's money. Even if your money is what is actually in your Binance, you can't compare a crypto, cryptocurrency perspective with a Forex. So if you talk about the Binance, you understand me? I think that one is actually into the other one. So sorry,
Prof, just to clear his doubts and just let him know. Even your money in Binance could decide to have a hack tomorrow, and your money is gone. If you have been used to Forex, I've been doing Forex for over 9-10 years. All your monies must be with the Forex broker. If you go to all the brokers in Lagos here in Allen, if you're trading, all your monies are with them. It's just like your bank. All your monies have to be with the bank to hold. So in every business, there is an element of risk. And there is no business that doesn't have its own risk. However, in this business, the risk is highly minimized. And that is what we can say. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Lua. Okay,
the next question.
Okay, yeah, Nadiza, so please go ahead with your question. Sorry for taking your time. Okay, Nadiza Water, please unmute yourself and ask your question, please.
Okay, good evening, Prof. and FL Charles and the marketing consultant. Everyone. I'm indeed impressed of what's going on. Okay, I'm already one of my downlines was trying to find out the juniors boards. If you have $1,000, you're expecting to get up to 45% per month. Now, if I have $1,100, am I still to get 45% of the $1,100, or is just tied to? Is it tied to a multiple of 1,000 or thereabout? If I increase my capital by 100 by $200, is that 45% applicable to that $1,200, $1,100, or is it applicable just only on the $1,000? That is my question.
Okay, FHS, please. Could you help me respond to that quickly?
Okay, fine. Go ahead.
Go ahead. No, you. I said go ahead and let me respond to that.
So basically, this is what people need to understand. The capacity of the Genius Board has been tested to offer up to a range of 45% return of your capital per month, up to. So basically, it's a range, meaning that it could do 40%, it could do 42%, it could do 44%, it could do up to 45%. But these percentages is a function of the market condition of that particular currency and the volatility in the market. You will want to know that during times like this, when we are coming to the end of the year, the volatility in the market is low. So you may not get the full potentials of the market. However, what I communicate to people is that, look, there's a market range. This market range could happen. It could be 45%, it could be 44.5, it could be achieved. Now, this is what you should be knowing. If the business, the board performs, the board has never performed below 40%. If the board performs 40% for you, it means that you will then need to have a 20% reduction from that profits being held back by the company, because the company collects 20%. So for example, the board generates, say, $2,000 for me today. 20% of $2,000, it's about $200 thereabout. So it means that the company will hold back $200 and give me $1,800. You know, so that is how the thing works. So it's a range based on the capacity of the board. So the board has been back tested and it has seen that it can achieve 45%. but there are factors that can ignite that 45%. It's called market volatility. If there's enough volatility in the market,
Okay.
the board can do that. But if in a market where there are no volatility, the board should be able to do at least a 40 to 42% for you every month consistently.
Yeah, so sorry. What I'm just trying to find out is if I have $1,000,
Yeah.
and tomorrow I added $200 on top of it, making it $1,200. So I'm expecting that percentage on 1,200, right?
Yes, you can do your top ups. From what I have observed, the bot does within a 1.5% to 2% in a day. It's a range. Okay, so my expectations are is either it's 1.5 or somewhere between 1.5 to 2%. That and most time it has done exactly 2% or even more. But I like to keep it simple and safe. So I say maybe 1.8% or maybe 1.9%. You get it? So that I don't over expect. I'm happy to expect less, but let it perform more than my expectation. Do you understand? So I keep topping up. I have a trading capital worth over $20,000 with this operation. And I was telling Prof that by January, I'm taking it to $100,000. Why? Because I see the potentials and what this bot can do. Big time. If I have $100,000, I'm making approximately $1,800 to $2,000 per day. And it's business for me, I think like a businessman. So even if they collect their 20% from what I earn in a week, I could still be going with over $8,000 as profit. We're using a $100,000 account. You understand what I'm saying? So those are my projections, and you should expect within at least a 40% to a 45%. Most times it does almost 45%.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Mendoza. I guess that answers your question. Thank you so much. God bless you. All right, Mr. John, may we have it, please? The floor for you. Mr. John, unmute
Yes.
yourself, please.
Yes. Thank you for the pro. I have a little question. Sorry, maybe my English will not be too good, but
No,
French
we don't need it here. You know, we don't need it.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I presented the opportunity to some people, but they asked me if you want to know the name of the broker, and you want to know if my FX box is available, and she want to know what is the drawdown since the business began.
Okay. Mr. Nate, please. Mr. Nate, that question for you, please. Mr. Nate, are you there?
Sorry, I don't really get the question. Can
Okay,
someone...
Mr. John, could you come again, please? Could you come again with your question, please?
Yes, I presented the opportunity to some people, but that people is also the trader, and they want to know what is the drawdown, if that statistic is available, and what is my FX book, if there is a link to check it, and what if we can know the name of the broker, because I saw some video and presentation, and Mr. Nets told us IP Capital, he's not the broker, right?
Okay. Let me just explain this to you. Okay, so unfortunately, we don't have a My FX book, but you can go to MQL5 to check on this, and also we will be generating a flyer every week, which is how much did our bot earn, what's the percentage of the bot given to every one of you, what's the return of investment, the table of ROI every week by using the percentage. Okay, and then the second thing is, yes, as I mentioned, we are not a broker firm and we are not a trading platform, but we are a fintech innovation company. So this company gather a lots of different people, different experts from all around the globe. We have cryptocurrency expert, we have foreign exchange expert, and yes, we have our very own foreign exchange broker server on MT4, which is Intelligence Prime Dash Live. Okay, hold on, yeah. Okay, let me just drop it down in the
Zoom chat.
Yes, the chat room. Okay, so this Intelligence Prime Dash Live is our broker server name. You can go to MT4 and then search for our broker server. Okay, so yes, we are a fintech innovation company, and yes, we have our very own broker server on MT4. Okay.
Okay, but with that, we can find the drawdown. That statistic is available over there.
Yes, you can go on MQL5 and then you can look for Intelligence Prime Dash Live. Then you'll get to see everything. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Mr. John. Thank you for the response, Mr. Nate. All right,
Just
Jessica.
a last question, Prof. Williams. We want to know if we have a lot of people that speak only French, cannot speak English, maybe the Zoom can be available for that people or not? With
Okay.
internet inside.
Mr.
Because
John,
I know that maybe this opportunity is not available yet for French people, but
yes.
the money is for everyone and the opportunity is good.
Okay,
Yes.
Mr. John, do you actually speak French?
Yes, I can speak French correctly.
Okay,
yes.
okay, that's wonderful. Mr. Nate, I think there should be a provision for that. Okay, whereby
Yes.
the French people can also get that from too. What do you think, sir?
I think I need to go and discuss this with Mr. AD first, which is our marketing director. Yes, I need to discuss this with him since we already have lots of different leaders from different countries. And yes, for now, we don't have anyone in our team who can speak French, but we are looking for a leader who can speak both of the language, which is English and French. So you see, in this seminar, the core leaders, such as Mr. Charles and Prof. Williams, they are already started to help us to present the business and also help us to take part in the Q&A session. So yes, Mr. John, I will look forward that you can contact me after this meeting. Then we'll talk more about the business, and then I'll teach you about how to go and present to your downline, to your prospect about this business in French version. Okay.
Okay, thank you for that.
Thank you so much, Mr. John. God bless you. All right, Jessica,
Prof,
please.
let me just add to
Oh,
what John has said so that people understand.
All
Our
right.
bot system is not for long-term trades. The bot operates basically a scalping trade, and it does just 2 to 3, maximum 4 to 5 pips. So with that kind of strategy and with the kind of accuracy it has, there is almost little or no drawdown.
Thank you so much, Officer Charles. I think
Thank you for
that's
that.
well. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. God bless you. All right, Jessica, unmute yourself, please.
Okay. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
I want to say thank you to Mr. Nate, Prof. Williams, and FS Charles for the great job you guys are doing. I just joined IP Capital. That's 5 days now, and it's been awesome. But I'm having a little itch. My team members or my prospects who just joined, trying to register. Hello, hearing me?
We all here. Go ahead. Go ahead.
My team members who just registered is not reflecting in my network. Yeah, and I'm surprised because I've not encountered this.
Okay.
For some person have registered now. Then one of them is registered, but she can't log in.
Okay.
She has other mail from FX, from IP Capital, showing that her registration has been approved, but she can't log in. I'm
Okay.
even surprised. My upline, I had to message my upline. She said, this is strange because we've not encountered it.
Okay.
And there are a lot of people I wanted to ask also, but Mr. Charles just cleared it all. In short, I am so happy to be in tonight's meeting. I encourage everyone to pull their team members to attend meeting. You can't put your money into a place you don't want to learn how things work there. we
Say
should
it again.
team
Say it again.
to come for Zoom meeting. Your money is here. Learn how it works. There's no magic anywhere. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Jessica. How about Mr. Nate? You wanted to respond to that the other time. Go ahead.
Yes. Okay. I thought it's a problem that has not been solved, but since the problem has been solved, okay. So let me just add up something on it, which is if you are facing any issues on the platform, the member portal, you can just directly go to your upline or any of our call leaders in the group, or also you can also come to me to tell me about the problems, and then of course I will be there to help you to fix all the issues, okay? And then the second thing is I've been listening from your questions and everything. So yes, if someone that has registered by using your referral link did not reflected in your system, you can't see them as your downline. Usually
Yes.
this will happen is because of they haven't subscribed to any bot yet. That is why they won't be showing in your back office. They won't be your downline unless they have already subscribed to a bot and start trading by using the bot. Then yes, there will be in your tree. Okay, there will be in your team structure. You get to see them in your back office. Okay.
But Mr. Nate, usually once you are registered, it shows in my tree.
No, you have
Others are showing who have not subscribed already.
yes, you have to submit your KYC and also subscribe to the bot system first. Only there will be showing.
They've done that. I've guided them to do that.
So if they've done that and it didn't reflect, that is another issue entirely. So you can get in touch with Mr. Nate later.
Yes, maybe
If
it's
FS Trust has also solved that too. FS Trust,
yes.
you can get in touch with FS Trust. They're going to resolve that for you.
Thank you.
Most times I have experienced that, but because KYCs has not been done or the person has not followed.
That's the point.
It's either of those issues.
Yeah.
Like you can't get a referral link onto your fund. People keep asking. Onto your fund, your referral link doesn't come up. So once you fund, even if it's with $100, everything starts working for you.
Mr.
The system is designed.
I think this is a different case entirely because
Okay, madam, don't worry. Just send
funding. It has not gotten to funding yet.
Okay, just send the email and the username to Nat. I mean, email and the email address and the full names. Nat will handle it. It's a very minor issue. Very minor.
Madam Jessica, I understand you, sir. It's another ballgame entirely. Don't worry about it. That will be resolved. God bless you.
Okay.
All right, Aniki.
Yes.
Aniki, the next person, please unmute yourself. We want to make sure that we respond to everybody. It's a wonderful business, you know, and we're here for you tonight. Aniki.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
And thank you for the great work you're doing. Please, I would like to know, based on the 20% retainership that we spoke about, the trading, what's it called now? The returns, is it going to be paid based on the 100%? Let me use figure for this illustration. If you come in with 1,000 naira, $1,000, is it going to be the return? Is it going to be based on 800 or on the 1,000?
Okay, it's a very simple thing. Let's assume that you have a $10,000 account and your trading profits that is showing, not your capital, trading profits showing from the 5th, which is Monday, to the from the 15th to the 19th, which is Friday, is showing $1,000. By the early hours of tomorrow morning, with about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, they will take that profit and collect 20% from it. So if your profit was 1,000, they will collect $200. What will then be showing, or what they would then send to you in your IPC back office, is $800. $800 is what is available for you to withdraw as your profit for this week. By Monday, the process of trading starts again with your existing capital that is in MT4.
Because I was in this meeting earlier this morning, you said, I asked at point of withdrawal if there's any charges. You said it's only $3. but now it's more like 20%, if I get this explanation right.
Okay, I was in the meeting too, mommy, and I think you were asking about the withdrawal fee. Then, okay.
Prof,
yeah.
hold on. Now, this is withdrawal. This is profit sharing between you and the company.
Okay.
The profit sharing, you take 80% as the profits. The company takes 20%. When you want to withdraw, the company says, because of the blockchain charges that will be incurred, we are charging $3 for every volume of withdrawal you are making.
That is straight and clear. So now I want to ask, for the networking part of the business, is it based on head count or the amount? What I mean, do you have to bring a particular number, or once you are able to do this amount, irrespective if it's just one person or two people?
The company says we run a uni-level system, meaning that you can bring everybody in your village, even witches and wizards, you can bring them in. What the company is saying is this: you can also have one person that is doing $100,000 under you, and you can have 100 people doing $1,000. It is still the same volume. Volume is volume.
Okay,
so it is not a question of number, it's a question of volume.
Okay, beautiful. I think that's all I would like to ask. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Lastly, I heard on 2 occasions you've mentioned drop down. Please, just for education purpose, please, what does drop down mean? Thank you.
Okay, drawdown means that a trade that would have been in positive is running in negative. And a negative is running for like a whole day or 2 days without converting back into profits. So that is a drawdown. And I'm saying that based on the design of the bot, we have little or no drawdown, okay? Because the bot is designed to take few pips. It means the number of profits that it can take from the market. And it just takes profit within the range of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pips max, and it's out.
All right, thank you.
If you're a Forex trader, you will understand this.
I just understand now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Adetitu Sonyolu, sorry, please.
Good evening. Good evening, Prof. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for the clarifications and for the explanations. Yeah, most of my questions have been answered. I was the one that was asking a question on the WhatsApp group today about someone asking me about the back end. Is there no back end alterations? Or is it possible that, maybe the tech guys around that or the people who build the bot can at a time go back and start doing one thing or the other? That is illegal. And I think there was an answer on that. But I'm just asking that, can we get the recording of tonight's meeting as a means for us to go and digest all this and be able to polish, to advertise to people?
It will be sent. It will be sent to the group. Definitely, it will be sent to the group.
To the WhatsApp group.
To the WhatsApp group. Yes, exactly.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Adetitu. You're welcome. All right, Warner Godwin, unmute yourself, please. Warner Godwin. Okay, while Warner's still waiting, Warner? Okay, Kingsboy, go ahead.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
So my question is, I don't know for others, but I've been observing for the period the robot is trading. I want to know, for instance, today I'm using maybe a $500 account, and then today it makes let's say $9.5 for me. Then tomorrow, is it still going to add that $9.5 to my $500 account, or is strictly going to be trading with my 500 account till the weekend? Then if I decide to put back the profit the next day, I will import that profit. I just want to know. Thank you.
Okay, so it's actually a very simple thing. If you have a $500 account and it makes $9.5 for you, that is profits and not your capital. So the bot is designed to give you profits every day. So if you do $9.5 times, let's say it does $9.5 is what is the total profit for you on every day. So times 5 days, that is profit. That profit is added to your capital. But on Saturday morning, that profit is extracted. When it is extracted, the company will collect their 20% because there's a profit sharing. It's a contract.
Yeah, I'm aware of all those. I'm aware of those. What I'm saying is on daily basis, for instance,
it doesn't add to your
$9
capital. It doesn't add to your capital. It stands alone as profit. You will take your hand and transfer it back as a new capital.
Okay. I'm clear now. Thank you.
Thank you, King Zobi. All right, quickly, Mr. Machine, please kindly unmute yourself and ask your question.
All right, good evening, Prof.
Good evening, sir.
Mr. Michael, good evening, sir.
Very well, sir. Go ahead.
Okay, personally, I am a very small investor, so I want to ask this question, but I'm good in networking. Assuming that I join now, putting money, invest money there. What about the people that comes in behind me? Will I be having any referral bonuses on them? So that
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
All right, Mr. Mason, kindly just go ahead with your question, please. Go ahead with your question. We couldn't get you very well. Please, could you speak audibly?
Okay, Prof, I actually got his question. I got his question. He's asking that the people he brought, if he will be getting referral bonuses from them for the people they are also bringing. That answer is no. The system is designed to only pay you referral bonus as a one-off. Okay, so if you brought me, if Mr. Machine, let's say you brought me into the system, you will earn referral bonus from me if I make a deposit to my trading capital. If I bring Prof into the business, you will not earn, I will be the one to earn. But however, if you then become a senior manager, then you will start earning part of my daily profits every day from Monday to Friday that the bot generates for me. And you will also earn part of the trading profit from Prof that the bot generates from Prof. So in terms of referral commission, it is not extended beyond the level that brought the person in. But in terms of the bonus of the trading profit, it extends into various generations.
Now,
Thank you.
That I have not to fund my own account, and the people behind me have funded their own. Would that be any profit for me?
If you have not funded your account, you can never have a referral link. Exactly. So there's no how you can even register anybody.
Wow, okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much. We're going to take more 3 questions now, and we'll close the day because people need to go to bed on time. All right.
Yeah.
And also the people in the house, we talk about the top leaders, they need to take their rest. They've been responding to great numbers of people since morning. So please, let's go ahead. So UDVD, please unmute yourself and ask your question, please. UDVD, please. Okay, while I'm waiting for you, David, we go for P. Mayahu. P. Mayahu. Go ahead with the question, please.
Yeah, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah, thank you for tonight's presentation. So this P. Mayahu, I'm calling from Lagos here. Yeah, quick one. For the package stuff, I want to ask if the package is for monthly or is it one-off payment? That is my question.
The bot is a one-off payment. There are no renewals. Once you have bought it, you bought it for life.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Ray in the house. Mr. Ray in the house. Come on and meet yourself, Mr. Ray.
Prof. Yeah, good evening. I didn't realize that my hand was still up, to be honest. I had a question earlier, but I think you guys have covered it. So basically, my question is this. How is the company actually making their profit? How are they making money from this business? But I think that's been covered by the 20% profit sharing process. Is that correct?
Yes, 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 yes.
Right.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, that is very correct. But I get the same answers, the same response question a lot. And Ray, I want to ask you the same question. Let's say you are the inventor of this bot.
Yeah.
And you are renting it to me to use to make money from me. Will you not also use the same bot to make money for yourself?
Yeah, sure, I would.
Okay, so if that is the case, it means that the company is making more money than you.
Well, fair enough, I understand that, but the thing is this, I'm only playing devil's advocate, you know, I need to understand when people ask the question, what to say to them.
Yes,
You know what I'm saying?
The company does not run a charity organization.
Yeah, I understand
the company is here for business. So basically the system has a model.
Yeah.
First, 20% is what they charge as profit sharing with you. Next, you are paying for the bot, which is about 99.9. Next, they are charging you $3 for every withdrawal you are making. Next, there's also what is called transaction fees. And this is where a lot of Forex brokers make their millions from. Every transaction that is initiated on MT4 generates a kind of profit for the company. Okay, so the more volume of trading capitals you are trading with, the more transaction fees you are running. Because this company has to pay MT4 as well. Okay, so what they pay to MT4 and what they keep to themselves, that difference is called transaction fees, and they need to make money. So once you understand the mechanism of how brokers make money, you will see that this is one of the most lucrative business you can think of.
I understand that because I trade myself. You know what I'm saying? But the thing is, when people ask the question, you need to know what to say to them.
I've given you the response.
Absolutely. Thank you for that.
Okay, Mr. Charles, let me just make another clarification on that. Okay, so not only Mr. Ray, but I'm here to tell everyone, okay, about this. So everyone might be thinking today, IP Capital is offering a business model, an attractive business model that you can earn up to $100,000 every month. Okay, so a lot of you might be thinking the company might not be able to pay out all our members' bonuses. So what I'm going to tell every one of you is you don't have to worry about this, because everything that we are offering to all our users and members is actually well calculated. Okay, so as what Mr. Charles has been mentioning just now, we have 4 types of incomes in AIA bot system. Just one of our products, which is the AIA bot system, we already have 4 different income. The first one is the pips. Okay, you are trading in Forex, then you must be know about how the Forex brokers are earning. Okay, so the pips. And then the second thing is we're having a profit sharing between the traders and the company. So at the end of the week, every week when our bot is making a withdrawal from the MT4 to your IP Capital account, we will be taking 20% of your profit as a profit sharing. Okay. And the third one is, yes, the subscription fee will be one of the income for IP Capital as well. And the last one is the transactions fee. When you make a withdrawal from IP Capital into your own cryptocurrency wallet. Okay, maybe for now you might be thinking these 4 incomes may not be able to cover the whole payout for our company, but actually it does. Okay, because we will be reinvest these incomes that we have been getting into our bot system, because our company is using the bot system as well. We'll be investing these incomes into our Genius bot, then it will generate a more attractive, a more bigger profit for us. Then we'll use that profit to pay out all our members' bonuses. So this is actually linked to the healthy cycle. Okay, you see, our members are earning by using our bot system, and they're receiving all the bonuses every day. And in our company is doing this as well. We're earning from all these kinds of incomes, and also by using the bot system. That is why this is actually a very healthy cycle. I can say if today there's only one person is still using IP Capital, then we will be able to pay him. Okay. So yes, thank you.
Thank you for that. Thank you
yes,
for that.
no problem.
Thank you. All right. The last question we're taking for today, Gregory, please unmute yourself and answer your question, please. Gregory, please unmute yourself and answer your question. Gregory, all right. Arison, please unmute yourself and answer your question, please. Arison, David. Arison. Okay, all right. Sunday, go ahead. The last person for the day. Sunday, unmute yourself and ask a question, please. Okay, Arisa, go ahead. Arisa, go ahead.
Good evening.
Good evening.
This is my first time of attending this Zoom meeting.
Sunday.
A friend of mine.
So Sunday, you just hold on, please. Go ahead, Arisa.
A friend of mine shared the link with me, but based on what I've been watching so far, though I've been hearing a lot of people commenting about what they've earned so far, but I don't know how to go about it. Because when he told me that the meeting will be holding exactly 8 o'clock, but I could not make it by that time, so I came late. So I just don't know if there is anybody I can chat with that can just put me through, because I can see that you guys are almost ending this meeting already.
All right, no problem. This Zoom meeting always been heard every Tuesday and every Friday. So on Tuesday, you can join us. Now, before then, you can also get in touch with your upline. Tell the person to add you to the WhatsApp group and ask your question there about it, and we're going to throw answers for you. So that is all about it. Do you understand, Mr. Harrison? Thank you so much. All right, Mr. Sunday, I'll just give you the last chance to say something, ask a question. Mr. Sunday, before we go. Mr. Sunday, unmute yourself, please. Mr. Sunday. All right, everybody. Thank you very much for being on this call. We appreciate it. We want to say, everybody, God bless you. Tomorrow is our payday in IP Capital. Many people will be making massive money. Make sure you belong to one of the WhatsApp group. Get in touch with the person that shared the link with you. Tell them you want to start right away, because if you take time on this, I don't know when, maybe it's not your time zone. This is the time to make the money. Okay, so get in touch with the person that invited you to the Zoom link and tell the person you want to start right away. And also tell the person to also add it to our WhatsApp group so you can have every details every detail that actually what pertains to IP Capital. So I want to say thank you very much, Mr. FINTRAC, for being here, Mr. Nate, the marketing consultant of IP Capital Singapore. Thank you so much for being on this call. And I also want to thank the first representative of IP Capital in Nigeria, Madam Chinwe, and also top leaders all over the world. Thank you for being on this call. We appreciate everybody. We are going to see you again on Tuesday. We're going to be having our national Zoom meeting by 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Make sure you actually want to be here. God bless you, everybody. At this stage, we want to say bye to everybody. God bless you. Bye for now.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.